Hello everyone, welcome to all Commerce Point. In this video, we are going to discuss about double entry system and a easy way to understand about the debit and credit rules. How we'll make debit and credit entry. So let's start. So firstly, what do you mean by debit? Debit is denoted by DR. It means what is owed to business or what is a part of business. And what do you mean by credit? Credit is denoted by CR and it is not part of business. इन सिंपल टर्म हम ये कह सकते हैं कि डेबिट का मतलब जो बिजनेस का है वो डेबिट साइड में आएगा और जो बिजनेस का नहीं है वो क्रेडिट साइड में आएगा. जब हम अकाउंट की एंट्री करते हैं देन डेबिट एंट्री इन left side and credit entry showing in right side, which is showing on the screen. So DR indicate as debit and CR indicate as credit. Now type of accounts. So in the traditional approach the entries depend on type of accounts. In traditional approach there are three type of accounts: personal account, real account and nominal accounts. If we understand about the personal account mean natural. So natural means like Ram, Shyam, Sandeep, etc. accounts. So name of person which is human being. Artificial account denotes like name of company ABC Limited, XYZ Limited, etc. Represented accounts mean representative of artificial or natural persons. So in personal account there are the three type of accounts. As far as concerned about real accounts are two types: tangible and intangible. As far as concerned about the tangible account, like building account, plant account, machinery account, these are the tangible accounts. Intangible accounts concerned with the patents, trademark, goodwill, etc. Lastly, nominal accounts. Nominal account concerned with the expenditure and incomes. So in traditional approach, these three type of account and the debit credit entry also made on basis of the account system. So if we understand about the personal accounts, in debit side receiver will be entry and in credit side giver will entry. So debit means receiver and credit means giver. As far as concerned about the real account, debit what come into business and credit what goes out business. And in nominal account, debit all expense means all expense will be in debit side and all income and gain will be in credit side. So these are the rule according to the traditional approach. Personal account means debit receiver and credit giver. Real accounts means debit what come into business and credit what goes out the business. And then lastly, nominal account means all expenses will be entry in debit side and all income will be entry in credit side. Now, as far as concerned about the modern approach, it is very easy approach and everyone can adopt this in today. This is a popular approach and very easy approach. First thing, everything which is liability, income and capital. In shortly we can say LIC, liability, income and capital. In these things, if LIC increase, it means liability, income and capital increase, then entry will made in credit side. If LIC's decrease means liability, income and capital decrease, then entry will be made in debit side. So this is very easy rule in modern approach. On the other side, asset and expenditure. It means in short we can say it AE. If asset and expenditure increase, then credit will be correction, then entry will be made in debit side. If asset and expenditure decrease, then entry will made in credit side. So according to the modern approach, this is depend on the liability, income and capital and asset and expenditure. If you take example of the modern approach system, for example, Ram purchased furniture from Sandeep on credits. In this statement, there are two type of account. Firstly, furniture account. Second is Sandeep account. So, furniture account denote asset which is increasing in the business, and Sandeep account which is showing liability on the business. So in simple term, we can say furniture is an asset that is increasing and credit is a liability that is also increasing. So according to the modern approach, if asset is increased, then entry will be made in debit side. So furniture account will be in entry in debit side. So entry will be furniture account debited. And as per the modern approach, if liability increase, it will be entry in credit side. So entry will be made to Sandeep account, it will be made in credit sides. So this is a example of modern approach systems. This was a short video on basic entry of accounting system. I hope you will like this video. Thank you.